Hi, this is John again, and today we're going to do an unboxing of PCGS 2020 West Point quarters. West Point quarters were struck for circulation, and there were 2 million population for each design. And you must find these through the bankrolls, and the chances of finding them was 1 in 185. If you find them now, they're likely to be circulated. If you get a roll or a large quantity, you can really cherry pick the better ones to get slabbed and have a better chance for an optimal grade. So these are the coins I'm sending over to PCGS. These are all cherry picked from a large quantity. In general, most BU West Point quarters will have some bag marks or scratches, so I selectively pick the better looking ones. I'll also be sending off this 2004D Wisconsin lowleaf. Marsh Billings is the rarest and is valuable at any MS condition. The Marsh Billings is selling for $50 raw. However, the other 2020W Brilliant Uncirculated West Point quarters 2020 are costing about $15 each. So I'll be sending off 19 coins to get certified. With shipping costs, each coin will be slightly north of about $20 per coin to get slabbed. I'll need a minimal of an MS65 to make money on this. MS66, the coins will be worth over $100. And at MS67, these coins are very rare, and these would be valued at over $1,000. So here we are, 6 weeks later. The coins have finally arrived. Okay, my first coin is a 2004D Wisconsin lowleaf, and PCGS grades it MS64. That's good. Next is the Weir Farms. I submitted 5 of these. And 65 plus, excellent. That's about a $55 coin. Another Weir Farms. And darn, some superficial marks there. Diffuse. 63. Okay, another one. Another Weir Farms. Yeah, still has those diffuse superficial marks. 63. Another Weir Farms. Yeah, these don't look that great. 62. Not too good with these Weir Farms. All right, last one. 64. Darn, didn't break that 65 barrier. Okay, the next 6 are the Salt River Bay. That looks better than the Weir Farms. 65 plus, excellent. That's worth about 35 bucks. Another Salt River Bay. Let's see what this one goes for. 64 plus. Darn, didn't break that 65 barrier. Another Salt River Bay. Yeah, these definitely look better than those Weir Farms one. 65, excellent. Let's see what this one goes for. 65, excellent. That looks like a good one. Come on, let's break that 65 barrier. Oh, damage detail. Darn. Where's that at? And maybe those 3 marks up at 1 o'clock. Darn. Well, this one looks good. Let's see here. That looks pretty clean. Come on, let's break that 65 barrier. 66, excellent. That's worth about 130 bucks. Perfect. The next 2 are Marsh Billings. These are more rare, so these cost about $50 raw. 63. Didn't have too many of these, so I didn't really have much to cherry pick. See what they grade this at. 63. Darn. But that's still good. Marsh Billings is a good one to get slabbed. All right, the rest of them are the tall grass prairie. I had a lot to cherry pick with these. I got a nice roll of these. 65. Okay, that's good. That's worth about $70. Another tall grass. Let's see what this one goes for. 64 plus. Darn, didn't break that barrier. That 65 barrier. All right, another one, another tall grass. That looks nice and clean. Not too many marks. 65. Okay, good. Another $70 coin. Come on, I got to break that 65 barrier. 66 would be worth about $100. Come on, that's clean. Let's see what this one shows. 65. Okay. Come on, last one. Let's break that 65 barrier. That looks nice and clean. Yes, not too many marks. Let's see what this one ranks. 65. Okay. Boy, PCGS is pretty strict with these West Point quarters. So to summarize, most coins were cherry-picked from a roll, and half of them graded 65 or better, and half graded lower. So buying raw coins from eBay may pay off if you can pick from a large quantity. So the next ones I send out will be the 2021 Peace and Morgan dollars. So until next time.